How much longer you have in this industry? Talagang longevity, guaranteed.
I've been in the industry for like 13 years. It's more than half of my life.
Correct, no?
Yeah.
And mas hahaba pa for sure because you're stepping into new eras every now and then. So ito talaga, the true definition of versatility, the true definition of longevity. Wonderful. Maraming salamat mga kaibigan again for those questions. But, syempre hindi pa po dyan natatapos. We have something a little more playful prepared for all of you. And this is something that we are also going to be challenging life with. Since we've already seen your fierce side kanina, ngayon naman, we're going to have a little bit of fun.
Okay.
Okay, so we call this next part, fun lang, happy. We call this next part the Fire Flower Challenge. Fire Flower. So on the LEDs, meron tayong mga cards dyan. These are 5 glowing cards, and each one of these cards hide a surprise inside. 4 cards have very fiery questions, pero may isa naman na may special there. So we're gonna leave it to you to choose whether you want to go with card number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or ikaw din, pwede gusto mo sunod-sunod lahat, piliin natin. It's totally up to you.
Siguro, this one, the first card.
The first card, all right, we're starting with card number 1, everybody. Here we go. First card is, what is the one moment in your career that made you say, this is my time?
I think tonight.
Ngayon na yun.
Tonight is my time. Thank you.
Alam mo, aside from being the new calendar girl, I personally see you everywhere. I see you everywhere on social media. I see you everywhere sa mga billboards ng kami. Parang this really is your winning era, I may say.
Thank you.
Moving on to another card. Let's go with one more,
The
please.
middle one.
Card number 3
Yes.
for Andrea. So you talked about traveling solo and protecting your peace in the spotlight. So what is one self-care or fashion tip you always rely on to stay grounded and of course to keep you confident?
Siguro kasi I really love music. Like when I travel, lalo na kapag solo traveling,
Right.
parang ang companion ko yung music eh.
Right.
And also, pag gusto ko din parang quiet yung noise, nakikinig din ako sa music, so I always bring, yun na lang yung tip ko.
Right.
I always bring my earphones, para kung gusto ko lang i-mute yung world, or when I'm on the way to work, or meron ako performance, and I
Right.
need to hype myself up, or kailangan ko full malima. So, I think yun yung isa sa mga secret weapons ko to set my mood.
That's amazing. You know, music also is an escape for some.
Yes!
It is also
That's true.
empowering for a lot of us.
Yes.
So music is the one tip. that,
Self-care tip. Fashion tip na din, kapag fancy yung headphones.
Oo. Pag maganda pa tayong song fantasy ka, pwede mo naman parang.
Yeah, and don't walk kasi while listening to music.
Tama. Beautiful. Moving on to another card, please. We
Second
have
one.
yun. Card number 2. Let's go. So you've spoken about drawing the line and asking people to judge your work and not your personal life. When did you first decide to set that boundary, and how has this changed you?
Actually, sa pagkakaalala ko kasi, nasagot ko yan when I was asked, na parang as a public figure,
Right.
ano daw yung thoughts ko and opinions ko sa mga tao na nang-judge lang sa amin freely.
Right.
And I said, first of all, artista ako, so
Oh.
judge my work, not
Correct.
my personal life. In my opinion, I think you can, pero like as a public figure kasi of course,
Yeah.
kasama yung pag-sacrifice ng privacy. But then again, I think talaga you can judge it when I post it, when I share about it, when I put it out there for you guys to see and to talk about.
Sure.
But when you see an artist being low-key about something, then I think we should respect that. We should respect that boundary. So, yun yung sagot ko doon.
I love it.
How has it changed you? Well, kakasagot ko lang yun last week, so we'll see. Ngayon, sana mas mag-spread yun at mas mapaisip din yung mga tao na,
Correct.
yeah, tao pa rin sila. Yes, public figure kami, but we are not obligated to share everything
Absolutely.
and explain everything.
Absolutely. You know, a lot of fans, a lot of admirers they have blurred the lines between fandom and reality. Parang hindi na nila maalaman kung ano ba talaga yung boundaries
Yes.
na dapat nilang hinihila rin for themselves. Kasi there are boundaries. They are human beings. Our idols, our icons, the artistas, they're all human beings. So just like what you said, totoo lang din, tama lang din na meron tayong still a slice of privacy for our own selves.
Yes.
And we have to keep that peace.
For
More.
us, as a public figure, then it's our job to protect
Totoo.
our privacy.
Totoo.
Kasi ang dami talaga nangingialam.
Correct. There are things that our artistas, our idols, shall be keeping to themselves, and we have to
Akala
respect
ko
that.
fun to, ba't lumadami tayo?
Nagiging seryoso na. Okay. Meron pa tayo one more fiery question.
Fourth card na lang.
Card number 4.
Yes.
So eto, you have urged the Gen Zs to stay politically aware and voice their future. What inspires their fire, and how do you keep growing when the world is watching? Ooh.
Actually, it's more of, it's my generation
Correct.
that inspires me to speak up and voice out for our future. Kasi politics, it is and should be a very important topic na dapat kaya natin pag-usapan
Absolutely.
naman. But let's be honest, it can cause a lot of arguments, a lot of bashing.
Oh.
But with what's happening sa bansa natin ngayon, it's really hard for me to just stay silent.
Right.
So I think yun yung nag-inspire sa fire ko to speak up about
I love
our
that.
future, our country. And may pahabol na question. Kinombo niyo ako to question. How do
Parang
you keep
hindi
going
naman
when the world is watching? At first it was really hard nung bagets ako. But then, as I grew older, naisip ko lang na mag-focus lang talaga sa purpose ko, not the pressure.
Correct.
Focus sa goals ko, not the opinions of those who don't matter, really.
Absolutely.
And just have faith in God's plan and time.
That's beautiful. You know, however polarizing the idea of talking about politics is, you are still so brave enough to make a stand, to take your ideologies, your ideas, and ipaalam sa lahat ng mga tao. Sa ating Pilipino, ngayon pa tulad ng sinabi mo, very important ang mga boses ninyo
Yes.
na may malaking platform. Maraming salamat. And this is the kind of fire that lasts, one that grows and not just grows. Kaya naman, we have one final card.
Ito na yung dare.
Ito na yung pa-dare natin. Card number 5.
Let's go.
So ito na nga, totoo nga, ito yung dare, the fire flower dare, and we want you to perform the Opalite TikTok dance with your fans. So sino ang mga fans na isasama natin? May pa-TikTok na sa
Hindi ko ba okay yung performance ko kanina?
Siyempre, may chance din yung mga fans natin. Kilalanin muna natin yung mga fans. Magpakilala mo na kayo kay Glay. 15 seconds ito ha, full energy. Dapat energy tayo. Full fire flower mood. Totoo. Ready?
Gusto niyo ba mag-rehearsal muna or let's go?
Actually.
Go na daw, go na.
Okay, hold on.